Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to get iOS 14 on your Apple iPhone or iPad for free. No developer account, no jailbreaking, and you don't even need a computer to use this method. So before I begin, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of tech related things. Hit that like button if this helped you. Comment down below if you have any questions. And I did want to tell you about the giveaway that I'll be doing. I'm giving away an Amazon gift card once I hit 500 subscribers. I think I'm roughly around 443. So if you want to be entered in that contest, please subscribe and comment down below to let me know you are subscribed. So that's the way to be entered. So just be subscribed and let me know you're subscribed. So today's video is on how to install iOS 14 on your iPhone or iPad. As you may know, iOS 14 for iPhones and iPads is due to come out in the fall sometime. So right now it's in its beta stages. So this video is all about how to install the first beta and just enjoy a lot of things that iOS 14 has to offer. Now I do have to warn you, iOS 14 again is in its beta stage, so I have it installed in my iPhone. It's up to you if you want to install it, if you want to check it out. Since it's in its beta stage, there could be potential bugs. I've had it for almost a day now. I hadn't experienced any bugs, but that's just me. That's my device. Yours could be totally different. So I highly advise you, if you have two phones or maybe if you have multiple devices, maybe just try this on one, see how you like it, see if it works, and then do it onto your main device. So it's just viewer beware. Just do it at your own caution. Install this at your own caution, and that's pretty much it. So what I just want to go over quickly is on my iPhone what iOS 14 has that's new. So I just typed in iOS 14 for Apple. I'm on Apple's site just to show you like what's new in iOS 14. So there's some things you can do now that you could do on other smartphones that you could never do on iPhones before. So one of them being adding widgets to your home screen. You can do calendars, you can do weather. You can have these above or in the middle or wherever you want, between your icons. So another important feature in iOS 14 is the compact calls. Now this one a lot of Android phones have, and I know iPhones don't have this yet, but with iOS 14, if a phone call comes through, it's just going to show at the top of the screen. So no matter what application you're in, if it's Facebook, Instagram, Safari, anything, the phone call won't take up the whole screen. So you can continue to do what you want to do. You can ignore the call, let it ring, and just continue to search or surf the web or do whatever you need to do. So I think that's just a cool feature. I know Android phones has had that for a while, but I'm just glad finally Apple was able to release this. And then you also have picture-in-picture. So if you're on a FaceTime call now in iOS 14, you can FaceTime with somebody and just you can be in whatever app you want. So no more going out of FaceTime, it's saying like, paused or whatever. So if you're FaceTiming with somebody, you can surf Facebook or Instagram, and I don't know, don't be so rude about it, but you can do that now. You don't have to, pay attention to that person. So that's just another cool feature. And there's a lot of other features too. If you want me to do a video on what's new in iOS 14, a detailed video, let me know and I can do that. But if you want to find out, just type in iOS 14 in Google and click on Apple's website. It'll tell you everything that's in iOS 14. So we're going to go over how to install iOS 14. So what I want you to do is on your iPhone or iPad, go to Safari web browser and type in betaprofiles.com, this exact website, betaprofiles.com. Now if you scroll down here, it's going to say iOS 14. iOS beta profile. It's going to say download, and then below that it's going to say iPad OS 14 download. And for that it has download as well. So what you can do, depending on what device you have, you can just click on view supported devices. And for the iPhone list, it goes all the way down to iPod Touch 7th generation. And just look at this list. If your device is on this list, then you can install iOS 14. Same thing with the iPad. If you scroll down and you see the iPad that you have, if it's on this list, you can install iOS 14. If your device is not on this list, it simply won't work. So just make sure you have a device that's on this list. So for me, I have the iPhone 11 Pro, so obviously I'm good to go. So I'm going to scroll back here, make sure that I'm on iOS 14 download, and I'm going to click on download. This is for my iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, just click on download. It's going to say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Just hit allow. It says profile downloaded. Review the profile and settings app if you want to install it. Just hit close. You can close out of Safari, go to your settings, click on profile downloaded, and it's going to say iOS 14 beta software profile. It's verified with Apple, and you can hit install at the top right hand corner. Type in your passcode if you have one. This is just a message from Apple just saying that this is a beta. Expect bugs from time to time. Like I said, I haven't experienced any bugs yet, but that doesn't mean that, you know, older devices could be buggy. So just take that with a grain of salt. I just wanted to, again, let you know that it could be glitchy, it could be slow, or things may be out of whack, but just know before you download this that it could be glitchy, potentially glitchy. So just hit install, and then hit install again. So you may get this restart required. Please restart your iPhone to apply changes. I'm going to do not now. The reason being is I'm already on iOS 14. So once you hit the install right here, just hit done. If it asks you to restart, please restart. If it doesn't, just hit done. Go back. Go to software update. So I'm already on iOS 14. It may say right here, you know, pending update. Just click on that and run the update like you normally would. It may take a while. I think you need about 4 gigs of space on your phone or iPad. So just be patient. I think my install took about 20-25 minutes. It all depends what device you're on. It all depends how fast your internet is. So just be patient. Let it install. Let it do its thing. It's going to reboot. That's all normal. It takes a good amount of time. So just be very patient. I know I was watching it thinking, is it stuck? Is my phone broken? But it just took some time. So just be patient. Let it install, restart, and you will be officially on iOS 14. So that was it, guys. That was just a quick video on how to install iOS 14. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'm doing a giveaway. Once I hit 500 subs, I'll be picking a winner for you to enter. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below that you subscribed. So I'll be doing that, and I will see you on the next video. Later.